lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and if you're my existing subscriber, well, thank you for coming on back. In today's video, it's another Tellin what I'm selling. It's just another way that I make some quick cash, especially during quarantine. If this is your first time watching this type of video, basically what I do is take items just laying around my home and I put them on buy and sell sites such as Kijiji and Facebook Marketplace. For those that have been watching me for quite some time, you know that I do quite well on Facebook Marketplace. And in these videos, I like to show you where the customer contacted me from, what the item is, how much I listed it for. I like to tell you the reason why I'm selling the item. And I like to show you what I did with the money if I purchased something. Sometimes I just, you know, put it in my bank or what have you. I don't necessarily buy anything. But if I do, I like to share that with you too. Today, the customer actually contacted me from Kijiji. It's been a long time since I've had anyone from Kijiji. I'll show you what the customer was interested in. They were interested in all of these purses. I had 5 of them listed at $5 each, but I managed to find another one, so 6 purses. And I offered them to her at $25 instead of $30. So essentially, she got one for free. So I'll go through them. They're very old, okay? So this is the first one. As you can see, it is very old because it says G unit, but she liked it anyways. It's in good condition. And here's another one. It's just a denim purse. It's in great condition. And this here is a gold baby fat purse. I told you these things are old, okay? And this one's just a fake leather purse, like evening purse. And another one, I think I got this one from Le Chateau many years ago. Another evening purse. And the last one is a Guess denim purse. The reason that I'm selling, simply because they're old and don't wear them anymore. Barely wore them. As you can see, they're in great condition. You know, one of them was a bit scuffed or what have you, but I did show that to her. If anything is marked in the slightest way, I always take pictures and show them so that they're fully aware. So basically, that's the reason I'm selling. I don't need them. They're just collecting dust in my closet, and I need to make room for more purses that I've been buying lately. Maybe that's another video. My question to you is, would you have sold them or would you have kept them? I'm thinking that you might have sold them. Just a wild guess there. So she is coming to my apartment building, not to my unit. I'm going to meet her downstairs. There's cameras, there's always people coming and going. We put our mask on and she's gonna send me the funds by electronic funds transfer. If you are going to do this type of thing, make sure you meet them in a public place, or if they come to your home because you're selling a couch, obviously you can't drag that to a public place. Make sure that somebody is home with you. You have to be safe, always. I do have ideas for the money. I think I'm gonna go to Sephora because I am looking for face cream because mine is running low. So I think that's what I'm going to buy. Let me go ahead and meet her, go to the store, and I will be back with what I got. Hey guys, so I'm back. I met her, the purses are gone, thank gosh. And I did go to Sephora. I just think I was in a mood to spend, okay? Because I spent, what was it? $42.94 on this. I can't pronounce it. Kiehl's? I can't pronounce that. Let me turn my light down actually so you can see. There you go. How do you pronounce that, guys? But that's what I got. It's the Ultra Facial Oil-Free Gel Cream. So it's good for normal to oily skin types. I told her, I said, listen, I have wicked oily skin. Is this good for people with oily skin? She said yes. So there's not really a smell to it. That's what it looks like. I hope that I freaking like it because I spent $42 on this. Like, I must have been crazy. crazy. That's everything to my video. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Any questions, you can definitely leave them below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my video. Thanks for watching, lovelies, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!